for being here. As early as 2020, and I discovered Bukon, and I can honestly say that Sam's and I'm very thankful that the owners of Bukon Philippines have brought this particular brand to the country. I can honestly say that it's the best value for money cycling apparel. Maraming mga ibang mas kilala na brand, pero when it comes to quality and yung the reasonableness of the prices of the jerseys, wala natalo, and I can honestly attest to this. So again, thank you, congratulations to the owners of Bukon Philippines for bringing the brand to the Philippines, and hope for your continued success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again.
Happy grand opening! Bukon Philippines!
Lalakas ko eh. Jol! Ba't di tayo naka-CRC? Jol, di ka nag-Bermosa? Uy, asan na yung kasama natin? Sila yung may-ari ng ano, Amadeo, yung bistro Amadeo. Bistro, diyan sa Amadeo. Si Adonis. Ayaw no, present. Present Pro. Hindi ka nagpa ano? Dito, nagpa picture. Present dito. Pagka pupunta rotonda, picture ka, present. Go, 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 go. Tayo na sa harap. Bante, bante. Di maputol. Daldi mga tropa mo. Layo na ano. Masunod. Pinapauwi na ako Doon ko daan sa bahay Uwian na. Bypass, tapos aakyat ng Mindes. Unahan bilis Yung papunta sa bahay, di ba may kurbana? Itong bypass na to, malapit doon, pinakadulo nito, lapit na sa bahay. Video dito kami ni Coach.
Remember,
Go there.
Entertainment Wednesday group, ha?
Hey.
Watch us the comeback episode.
Right, Coach. Ha? Oo, nakasama eh. Let's group daw eh, malapit na. Picnic group. Malapit na. Ah. Lakas bro. Yeah. Thank you. Hindi, mag-rimpal pa tayo. Pababa naman eh. Ha?
Saan rimpal?
Diyan. Pababa.
Kasakit ulit.
Pa-picture lang. Ha?
Tapos balik ulit kasi iiwan ko yung sakit doon eh.
Oo, balik ka ulit. Maiksi lang naman yan eh. 800 meter lang.
800 meter.
Pababa. Sa ano, marker ng ano, red pal.
Tapos pabalik. Akit na lang ulit.
800 ulit.
800 ulit.
Para ka na nung nag-red pal. Bilis mo ah.
Once again, more riders are coming, of course.
I am Kubi home from Malaysia, so I'm very happy today. I'm here and thank you the crew, police from Tagate, and make the ride impossible today. And I think in Malaysia I can find a place like here. The weather is good and good for ride, and I hope my boss to let me stay here for one more week or 1 more month. It's okay for me. So. We are now in Philippines.
2 and 1, once again, welcome to the grand opening of Montauk